This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. If you hit that like button, double check it's working properly. Guys, listen. Citadel Securities does not want tokenized stocks, okay? They do not want tokenized stock. They don't want DeFi. They know, in my opinion, that once stocks are tokenized, their business model becomes almost obsolete, and a lot of the naked shorting, the market maker exemptions, and all the other things that they engage in order to manipulate the market, all that comes to an end because we're talking automatic settlements. So there's no T+1, T+2, FTDs, and all the other stuff that they use as their business model in order to make money. The trillions of dollars in shares sold, not yet purchased, all that comes to an end. All that comes to an end. Bottom line is this. If stocks are tokenized, and you guys know where I believe they're going to be tokenized on, I believe they're going to be tokenized on the XRP ledger. I believe they're going to be tokenized on the XRP ledger because it's secure, it's fast, and it's inexpensive. I haven't seen another ledger that can meet all those criteria. Plus, XRP Ripple has built trust all around the globe. But this video is not about that. This video is about Citadel pushing back hard on DeFi, on tokenized securities. Because once the securities are tokenized, and especially if the blockchain is public, a lot of the way that Citadel does business now cannot function in that market because then there'll be true transparency. And Citadel is terrified of that. And that's why they are lobbying the SEC to not allow it to go through. But I'm going to tell you something. I believe, and this is just my opinion, there's just too many people on board of tokenizing stocks, tokenizing real world assets, that Citadel is going to be in trouble, and a lot of their trading practices are going to be exposed once stocks are tokenized. I mean, that's really the bottom line. And once we get to the discovery part of these lawsuits, and they have to start turning over the trading history, the blue sheets, the emails, the stack mail, and everything else, things are going to get very, very juicy for Citadel. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think Citadel goes all out assaulting DeFi? Why don't they want stocks to be tokenized on blockchain? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.